guys, welcome to our first ever TC Kids DIY. And today we are going to make
slime.
And I have my wonderful two helpers here, Talia and Lexi, and we are so excited to go ahead and get started. First, what you guys are going to need is 2 bottles of white glue. You are going to need optional food coloring, also optional glitter. You'll need baking soda and contact solution. So first, we're going to go ahead and start by pouring in our glue. Go ahead, girls, pour in your glue. Ooh, look at all that glue. It's ready to get slimy. It's already looking so slimy. Here, let me help. Okay, let's pour a second one. You ready to pour your second one?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
So yeah, look, just do this.
Well, there you go.
Oh.
Once all the glue is poured out, if you want to add food coloring, this is the time. So you guys want to add any food coloring? You just need to add 1 drop.
I'm not adding.
You're not going to add food coloring? Okay. What color are you going to add? We have green or orange?
Green.
Green? Okay. There's a lot of glue in there. All right, perfect. All right, also now's the time to add glitter if you want to add glitter. And you're going to add 1/4 cup of glitter. What color are you going to do?
I'm going to use
Silver? Ooh, so sparkly. Go ahead, pour it in.
I want blue.
You want blue?
Sparkly blue.
Ooh, that's going to be so pretty.
Yeah. It's moving.
There's blue.
Yeah, good.
And you want to put a little gold as well?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys, the sparklers look really good. All right, now you need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I will go ahead and scoop it for you. And we'll list all the ingredients and the measurements along with this video. Go, Lexi. Okay. All right, now you need 2 to 3 tablespoons of the contact solution. So go ahead and get your big spoon. And hold it over your bowl. All right, go ahead, pour that in. I'm going to pour that in. I'm going to give you 1 more. Pour that in. And put it in. Now you guys can start mixing it up.
Yay.
Ooh, I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Ooh, I love those colors. And I love your color too, the green food coloring with the sparkles. It's looking good. Slimy. And so fitting for our series, Unstuck. And you're just going to knead it and mix it until it becomes the consistency that you want it to become. And then when you're finished, you're going to want to get either a Ziploc baggie or an airtight container to store it in. It's getting hard. If you want, you can start using your hands. Ooh. Whoa. Can you see that? Pull it up. Look at that slime, you guys. It's coming out good.
Thank you so much, friends, for joining us in today's DIY. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Go ahead and take a picture and drop it in our Instagram at TCKidsCN. Hope you guys had fun. I miss you all so much. Bye.
Bye.